So hello everyone, welcome to CodeSwip. This is part 5 of understanding the Solid principles. Today we will cover D within Solid. D stands for dependency inversion principle, and its simple definition says that high level module should not be directly dependent on level modules. Let's try to understand this by an example. So this is a bad example for this. So let's assume I have one class named as MySQLDB, and there is a connect method which is defined within MySQLDB class, and there is my application which is just creating the MySQLDB instance and then calling connect method. So the problem over here is just like tomorrow my application decides to go with something else like PostgreSDB, then in that case we need to modify the application code. So that's not acceptable. So now let's apply DIP on top of this and let's simplify this problem. For this, what we can do, we can define an interface named as database, and MySQLDB will implement that database, and it needs to override the connect method which is defined in this interface. So parallelly, tomorrow new database comes in, it is supposed to implement this database interface, and it will have its own implementation for the connect method like PostgreSDB. So in app code, what we will do, we will, instead of defining a instance of a particular class, we will use the interface over here, database DB, and then whenever we will call the database.connect method, db.connect method, in that case the corresponding class which is implementing that interface, its corresponding implementation will be called. So this way, tomorrow if we change this MySQLDB to PostgreSDB, so there won't be any change required in the application code. That's it for DIB. Thank you so much.